Yo, future accountants, or should I say future AI overlords. Just kidding. Kinda. It's 2025 and AI is everywhere. It's writing sitcoms, badly, composing symphonies, meh, and now it's coming for your spreadsheets. Yeah, you heard me right. Artificial intelligence is automating accounting tasks faster than you can say depreciation. So, is the dream of crunching numbers and chasing invoices officially dead? Should you just tear up that CPA study guide and sign up for a coding bootcamp instead? Hold your horses, number nerds. It's not time to panic just yet. Let's break it down. The future of accounting is a bit like that weird dream you had after eating too much cheese before bed. It's confusing, a little scary, but also kinda exciting. On the one hand, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we do business, making processes faster, more efficient, and less prone to human error, looking at you, Barry, from accounts payable. But on the other hand, you might be wondering if there will be any room left for humans in this brave new world of automated audits and algorithmic analysis. Alright, let's talk jobs, because at the end of the day, a job is just a series of tasks you begrudgingly perform so you can afford rent and avocado toast. So, what's the job market looking like for accountants in 2025? It's complicated. The good news is there are still jobs out there. The bad news? It's not your grandpa's accounting gig anymore. Here's the deal. The demand for traditional, number-crunching accountants is shrinking faster than your chances of winning the lottery. But surprise, surprise, there's a growing need for skilled professionals who can work AI. Think financial analysts who can interpret AI-generated insights, consultants who can advise businesses on how to leverage AI for financial success, and of course the engineers who are building these AI systems in the first place. Let's be real, nobody became an accountant because they were passionate about data entry. They dreamed of becoming financial wizards, guiding businesses to success with their trusty calculators and sharp minds. The good news is, that dream is still alive. It's just evolving. AI is taking over the boring stuff. Think data entry, invoice processing, tax compliance, all those tasks that make you want to stick your head in a filing cabinet. This frees up accountants to focus on what they do best: analysis, strategy, and advising. It's like having a superpowered assistant who handles all the tedious tasks so you can focus on the big picture. Section 4. Future-proof your career, the best and worst accounting jobs. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Which accounting jobs are about to be replaced by robots, and which ones are safe, for now? Jobs in danger: data entry clerk? Let's be honest, this job was already on life support. AI is about to pull the plug. Bookkeeper AI can handle those journals and ledgers in its sleep. If AI could sleep, which I'm pretty sure it will be able to soon. Tax preparer. Don't shoot the messenger, but your tax software is about to get a whole lot smarter. Jobs that are safe, for now. Financial analyst. Someone needs to make sense of all that data, and that someone is you. Management accountant. Businesses still need help making strategic financial decisions. Forensic accountant AI isn't quite ready to solve white-collar crime, yet. Section 5. So, you want to be an accountant? AI weighs in. So, after all that, is becoming an accountant still a good idea? Here's the thing. AI is a tool. It's like a calculator, but on steroids. It can help you do your job better, but it can't replace you entirely. At least not yet. The key is to adapt and evolve. Embrace the power of AI. Learn how to use it to your advantage. Focus on developing skills that AI can't replicate, like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. The future of accounting belongs to those who can work technology, not against it. Section 6. What do you think? The future of accounting is in your hands. That's my take, folks, but I want to hear from you. Do you think accounting is still a viable career path in the age of AI? What skills do you think will be most important for accountants in the future? Head over to our social media pages and let's hash it out. The future of accounting is a conversation, and everyone is invited to the table. Except for Barry from Accounts Payable. He's still trying to figure out how to turn on a computer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the future of accounting and AI. Follow us on X, TikTok, and Instagram at AI Finance Network.